Those who decided study are not remember, rather is those who created study, them remember, not the dreamers persons never remember. Those who completed them remember, those who big talk, everybody will never remember. Even he is talking, only big talking is selfish people, as well as he has no money, but still he is so off his money. It's a mean. Whenever history will remember you, your name will come. But you must have done anything in life. What will have make your name do any that? What are you doing such as everybody remember you after 1 year, 3 year? After you go to the people's remember you, don't feel in work. There is just a fear of you heard. What are you doing? What are you saying? Fuck it, such as life is there wasn't a dream and the world. That talk is what will you say people? It's a hide. You had a rights of a life. There is a fantastic life you can make. You could have made your life fantastic, but you didn't have a fantastic life. What will say people? This talk everybody. Even then I have this talk. What will say people ahead? But you have lost many opportunities because of fearless, because of glossophobia. But you too win part of life, this part of life, because crowd, if you will walk with crowd, you will not succeed. If you will walk separate crowd, you can achieve everything. There will something do this such as life proud of. You will proud of yourself. One day you will make your an example on other. After 1 year, 3 year, after 2 days, you will start your work, because you will have to most of life is nobody person is world such as life. Do these dreams and feels what your dreams will complete. Push your dreams because even then everyone's are not fulfillment dreams, because everyone's are not work on dreams. And moreover, their dreams remains dreams, but you complete as you like. It's all up to you. It's cup of tea. It's all of cup of tea your life. You also talking about as well as there is change your life, as well as you would have to back up your life. You may have to back up your life from your heart. If somebody will laugh at you, don't bitter. Don't let them laugh at you, because your life is starting recently. Because everybody laugh, only you have no money. Everybody laugh you, but you have money. Everybody jealous you. Don't let them laugh. Let them everybody jealous everybody. But don't worry, you have to work hard. Those will regret your life. Goods and challenge will never end. We have to fight. We have to face that challenge, and we have to working. Everybody working, not working. Procrastination is work, but you will complete every successful people's everybody every dude every successful life. But which is sleep only life, name dreams supposedly this time. Everybody same appears, everybody same times, same equals, but if they were and you they were and deceivers, and it's a present everybody has equal, but there wouldn't value equals, as somebody use right on somebody destroy it, and who those destroy it. The time will inspire you, rather you break down it not. Break down, back up you, dreams back up you, and walk until you complete your work. If you watch my videos, so there is a change in your life. So please like and subscribe my videos. I am your Sagar Gul Star, and I will understand if you like my videos, subscribe my channels. If I am higher than you, expect your code reach you higher. You dreams, and I'll see you next videos. Keep listening, watching Sagar Gul Star voice. Thanks.